because today we're going to be opening, it finally arrived, a beautiful automatic cat litter box. Sounds so cool. I have 3 cats. I think you see one walking in the back. Are you excited? I'm excited. So without further ado, let's unbox it, measure, see how easy it is to set up. I'll check out the beautiful app as well, because I have a lot of people I feel fear doing the automatic because they think everything is complicated and it could be an odd app. But we'll check it out together, and have no fear, I'll help. There's a couple of other items tagged below that you could check out that I love and use. Figured since we're doing, cat day, might as well tag the items that I have at home and that I love and use on daily and that have made my life so much easier, right? They love boxes. If anyone has cats, they know it's all about boxes. Okay, let's open it. Right, let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna move this guy. Say hello to everybody. This guy came from outside. Having it nice and neat just gives me so how cool is that? Yeah. So you see, it's not just flat. So it's gonna get, if not all, that most litter out here. And then it's super easy to clean because this isn't connected. You could just slide it out. Okay, I think this looks better. So a box with supportive legs of automatic cat litter box. I think if you look at the picture, you'll see that there's little legs on all the sides. Let's have a, ooh, okay, looks great. Okay, this is nice and thick. It looks like very well made. Oh, there's silicone bottom, so it's not going to scratch your floor. And I'm guessing it's also not going to move anywhere, whether you put it on a hardwood or linoleum. So cool. It's a nice sticker that you can use to keep the mat in place. Awesome. We have, of course, the instruction manual. Such a cool shape. It looks almost like a spaceship for a cat. Just really nice. Let's see, what do we have here? I think half instructions are in English and half are in Chinese, I believe this is. Okay, so package content is what I like to do first. Make sure that everything that's supposed to be in the box is in the box. So we know that the mat is there. We saw the legs. We could see the unit. Now we need to look for power adapter, trash bags, and this specific model M1. The one, it comes with 2 rolls of garbage bags. User manual, we're holding it, and the quick guide, you saw it. So let's see. Trash bags. As said, oh, there you go. It's held together by a little sticker. So garbage bags. I believe this should be the power adapter. That's another thing, right? You don't want to have to put this thing in the middle of the room because you need to be able to reach a power outlet. Let's see how long the cable is. Oh, it's nice, very long, so cool. So where do you put? I mean, ideally, I'd like to have it in the guest. Look how well everything is packaged. So it's gonna be gorgeous. You know that if it's so well packed and well taken care of, it's gonna should be at least arriving beautifully because things happen in shipment. Oh, look at that! Now I have 2 of my cats walking around looking. Okay, I'll move this sideways. Should be fairly easy. It doesn't look like you require any tools or anything like that. They just snap on. Let's see on the inside. So you'll notice that around the legs, there's little things that you can snap. You look at it this way. Okay, let's see. See, on the inside, you'll find that the flooring itself, it's not hard. It's silicone. It is super soft. Okay, let's see. What do we need next? Part, or rather step 2. Expend waste bin and set trash bag. So I think we put it down too soon. We need to lay it on the side, or could we do it from standing up? Let's try. Pull out the waste bin, press the button. Here we have the waste bin, which simply pulls out. Look, 1, and it's out. And it looks like a collapsible bucket, I'm guessing. I don't know if you want to expand it if you have more kids, I guess. Let's see. Take one of these. And we're going to do this as in bend it out. Hold on. Okay, it's starting to come about. So like a collapsible bucket. You just expand it. Like little hands. So when you're, I just want to show you, make sure that you guys see that they're holding the little rim of the bag. You see? And I'm guessing if you pull on it, you can kind of close this, make sure that it's held on rather well, and then you have the bag. I think that was easy if I did it correctly. Share the bot. I'm going to take a screenshot of this and share it for family members. Let's start. Okay, we're done. And we have the machine. How cool is that? So we have the mat, and the whole idea is that the litter is cleaned off their paws, falls through the holes onto here, and then you can easily just and clean it out. We're gonna test, at least with dry litter. So you can see this is just litter. Okay. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it across. I have to show you the close up. Everything fell through. You see, there's nothing that's sticking here. Okay. You can't even see. It's all underneath. You see? And it's all right here. And you can just slide it out, whether you're throwing it out or you want to put it back in the machine. How cool is that? I think it's so cool. And this is the M1 model. So they have the M1 Lite, which comes basically the same machine but without some features. I think it has only one roll of garbage bags. There's no stickers. This one has everything. Also the stickers for the mat. I didn't open them, but we could take a look. Once I find a place of where the machine will be, wow, there's really nice silicone stickers. Very cute. The biggest problem is when they come out, how do you get it out from their paws, from in between their fingers? You know how it gets stuck all over? Like my cats love bringing it onto the couch, all over the house with them. So because this is not exactly even, I feel like it's going to massage and get everything from underneath, and then you can and just clean it up. Turn it into the garbage can, and you're done. Fairly cool, I think. If you have multiple cats, this could be a lifesaver. Like I'm really looking forward to not scooping poop every night. Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow and come back and check out the full video once the beautiful spaceship finds its home.